Most people get this wrong. They lock their mortgage rates in at exactly the wrong time. Too soon and you'll kick yourself if rates drop. Too late and the deal's gone before you've hit submit. Here's the simple trick that separates smart borrowers from the ones that pay thousands of extra pounds every single time. Now here's the truth. Mortgage rates don't just move randomly. Lenders follow patterns. If you understand what those patterns are and how those changes happen, you'll know exactly when to lock your mortgage rate. Right now, lenders are constantly pulling, tweaking or re-releasing products, sometimes twice in a single week. But here's what most people miss. Rate changes usually follow predictable timing based on how lenders manage their risk and application volumes. If you know that rhythm, you can lock in just before the rates increase or grab a better deal whilst others panic. Here's the key takeaways for you to remember. Use your broker's early lock option. Most people don't realize you can often start your remortgage journey 6 months before your existing deal is due to expire. This way, it gives you time to lock in something early, and if rates do change depending on the lender, you may be able to reduce the rate or change the mortgage product with that specific lender, or alternatively, even resubmit a brand new application to a new lender if rates have gone down. And never assume that you're stuck. If you've already locked in rates and they drop later, you're not automatically out of luck. Most lenders do allow you to swap rates before you complete on the mortgage, letting you move to the new lower product without reapplying. But they won't advertise it. But your broker will know this. That's the one question that can literally save you thousands. And avoid the panic lock syndrome. This happens when buyers rush to lock in after seeing scary news headlines. The panic can often see sloppy paperwork, missing payslips, wrong figures, outdated bank statements, and your apps gets kicked back, meaning decline. By the time you fix it or you've chosen your product, it's gone. So breathe. Wait until your documents are complete and verified, then submit. Speed means nothing if you get it completely wrong. And watch the Bank of England's MPC committee meetings drive nearly all the rate volatility. So when meetings are due, lenders move early to hedge their risk. This means the week before an MPC announcement, this is when we often see rates rising. Plan to lock in before that window, not after when everyone's reacting. If you're tracking those dates, you're already one step ahead of most borrowers. The key takeaway for you today is the mortgage market rewards time and not luck. Lock in too early, you overpay. Lock in too late, you miss out. So if you follow these steps I mentioned in this video, you will always land ahead before the crowd. That's your mortgage market update for today. I'll see you on the next headline.